Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll show you JLab Go Pods ANC honest review. So, the JLab Go Pods ANC are JLab's how is this so cheap true wireless earbuds STEM style with hybrids ANC, a transparency mode they call Beware, and a little case that literally has a integrated USB-C charging cable attached to it. So JLab lists Bluetooth, multipoint plus Google Fast Pair, IP55 sweat splash resistance, and battery that's like 7.5 plus hours per earbud with ANC off, or about like 5 plus hours with ANC on. No, with 26 plus hours total from the case, or 18 plus hours with ANC on. Now, the honest review part here are based on what reviewers and real posts are saying about it. Now, the big theme is that these punch way above their price. Now, Tech Radar here actually straight up treat them like one of those best ultra budget ANC picks, saying the sound is surprisingly good for the money and the ANC is legit for the price. But they also call out the beware can feel a bit harsh, oversimplified, and that the included ear tips don't always grip super well. So Tom's guide here had a similar vibe, really strong value, good sound features for the cost, but comfort can be a make or break thing. So they also mentioned some people with smaller ears may not love them for long sessions. Now, Reddit posts here line up with that great for the money angle. So you'll see people describing the sound as balanced and full of cheap buds, and others saying the ANC is good enough for to drown out BCGMs. Plus, they like that the JLB Lab app lets you like tweak EQ and controls instead of like fighting the touch controls. Now, is it worth it? Well, if you want the cheapest earbuds that still give you real ANC plus an app plus multipoints here, these are honestly a strong pick, especially as a daily throw in the bag pair. Now, the main reasons people end up not loving them are pretty predictable. So fit, comfort, and transparency mode being a little weird compared to the price earbuds. And one extra thing worth knowing here, Trustpilot scores for JLab as a brand are pretty rough. So that's more about like customer service and turns experience, not this specific model though. So if warranty support matters a lot, it's smart to buy from a retailer you trust for easy returns. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.